Hi, my name is Michael and I am the training coordinator here at Respond, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about forklift safety. Now, forklifts, I think we all can agree, are an invaluable part of many work sites. You cannot, in a warehouse environment such as this, manufacturing, if you're using anything that comes in a pallet that is palletized and you have to move it, this is going to help you get your job done more efficiently. However, many people don't realize that there are close to 100 deaths every year in the state of California from forklift operators, and also thousands of serious injuries that occur. And the main reason for that is operator error. There's no other way to say it, because someone who's been using a forklift for a long time, they might become a little overconfident, and things that they overlook, pre-trip inspection. I'm amazed when I go and train at sites how few companies require pre-trip inspections. Very, very important. What are you looking for? Make sure the wheels are pressurized or the treads are intact. Make sure there's no leak in the hydraulic line and all of the chains are working properly. Make sure the horn is working. Make sure your seat belt is working, because that is the most important safety feature on a forklift. Now, there are several different types of forklifts. You have reach truck, order picker, power pallet jack, and this is your standard sit down. If you would like more information and full training on forklifts, please give us a call. We'll be more than happy to come out to your location and provide training for your entire staff. That's it for today. Thanks so much for stopping by. And hey, remember, safety is everyone's job. Take care.